In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a WhatsApp clone with Adalo. We'll start right inside the Adalo editor. At the very top of the interface next to your current app name, open the app menu and choose to create a new project. Select Create New App to kick things off. You'll be asked where you want users to access your app. Adalo offers two options, mobile only or mobile, tablet, and desktop. Mobile only is great if you're targeting phones exclusively, but for the broadest reach and responsive layouts, choose mobile, tablet, and desktop. This gives you flexibility to design once and support multiple screen sizes. After selecting it, click Next. Next, pick a template. For a messaging experience similar to a WhatsApp-style app, choose the chat template. This template provides a pre-built structure with authentication screens, a conversations list, and a messages screen, which saves a lot of setup time and helps you focus on customization. Click Next to continue. Now give your app a clear name. Use something recognizable, for example, WhatsApp, so it's easy to identify in your workspace. Then choose your primary and secondary colors. Think about contrast and readability here. A rich primary color for highlights and buttons, and a complementary secondary color for accents. Consistent colors not only make your app look polished, but also guide user attention. When you're happy with your choices, click Create, and Adalo will generate your app with the chat feature scaffolded for you. Inside the editor, open the Add panel by clicking the plus icon on the left. This is your library of building blocks. Head into Components to see individual items you can place on screens such as lists, buttons, text fields, and chat-related elements. Use the Sections view to browse components by category. It's helpful when you're not sure exactly what a component is called. Then explore features to find higher-level capabilities that tie your app together, including items commonly used in chat flows. Move over to Branding to review and adjust your global styles, like logos, colors, and typography. Keeping these settings consistent ensures every screen reflects the same visual language. Next, open the Screens area to see the full list of screens that came with the template. This is where you can rename, reorder, or duplicate screens to match your desired navigation. Finally, open the Database panel. You'll see collections that power the chat experience, typically including users, conversations, and messages. Understanding these collections and their relationships is essential for accurate chat behavior and permissions. With these steps, you've laid the foundation of a WhatsApp-style app in Adalo ready for customization and content.